Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add social media icons to your Shopify store. The first thing you want to do once in your admin dashboard, you are going to scroll down and you want to select customize theme, then select customized theme again, and you'll be redirected to this page right here. And once on this page, you're going to tap on Customize right beside Action. And you're going to be redirected to this page. And once on this page, you're going to tap on the paintbrush icon in the top left-hand corner right here where you see Theme Settings. And from here, you're going to scroll down until you see Social Media. Once you have selected social media, you're going to scroll down, and for example, let's say I want to add Facebook. I would simply go onto Facebook, and first let me show you how to do it. Let's say I were to go on Facebook, as you can see right here. Now to get your Facebook link, profile link, all you have to do is simply tap on your profile pic. And once you have tapped on your profile pic, all you have to do is simply copy the URL. And that's it. So you'll copy the URL, go back onto your Shopify page, right where you see Facebook, you're going to paste that. Then you would simply select save, or you could add your Pinterest and also your Instagram link, as you can see right there. I'm going to tap on save. And after you have saved it, if you should scroll down to the footer section of your Shopify page, you'll see the Facebook social media icon right here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.